ഹായ്, എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിലൂടെ നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് ഉച്ചാരണത്തെക്കുറിച്ചാണ്. പ്രൊണൗൺസിയേഷൻ. As we all know that there are 26 letters in English. 26 അക്ഷരങ്ങളുണ്ട് ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ, അല്ലേ? എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാം. എന്നാൽ ഈ ഓരോ അക്ഷരങ്ങൾക്കും there has some specific sound system. ഓരോ അക്ഷരങ്ങൾക്കും ഓരോ ശബ്ദങ്ങളുണ്ട്, അല്ലേ? അതാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ഹൗ ടു പ്രൊണൗൺസ് ഇൻ എ ബെറ്റർ വേ. എങ്ങനെ നല്ല രീതിയിൽ നമുക്ക് ഉച്ചാരണം ശരിയാക്കാം. The very first letter in the English language is A. ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലെ ആദ്യത്തെ അക്ഷരമാണ് എ, അല്ലേ? എങ്ങനെയാണ് എ എഴുതേണ്ടത് അറിയാമോ? ഫ്രം ടോപ്പ് ടു ബോട്ടം, ഫ്രം ടോപ്പ് ടു ബോട്ടം, then cross a line. How to pronounce it? The sound system of A is A. എന്താണ്? A. Not A, it's A. There are a lot of words are there. Apple, anchor, apricot, alligator, etc. A lot of words are there. ഈ എ എന്ന അക്ഷരത്തിന്റെ ഉച്ചാരണം മനസ്സിലോട്ട് കയറാൻ വേണ്ടി shall we listen a song?
The letter A. A is for apple, apple, apple. A is for alligator, alligator. A is for angel, angel, angel. A is for airplane, airplane. A is for ant, ant, ant. A is for arrow, arrow. A is for anchor, anchor, anchor. A is for A. Now you know it. Let's repeat it and do it again. Get ready. Here we go. A is for apple, apple, apple. A is for alligator, alligator. A is for angel, angel, angel. A is for airplane, airplane. A is for ant, ant, ant. A is for arrow, arrow. A is for anchor, anchor, anchor. A is for A. Good job.
Then we move on to the second letter. It's B. How to pronounce it? The correct pronunciation of B is B. എങ്ങനെയാണ്? B. Lot of words are there. Ball, bat, bell, book, bucket, etc. Now a song for you to listen the letter B.
The letter B. B is for ball, ball, ball. B is for butterfly, butterfly. B is for bear. 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 B is for balloon. Balloon. B is for bird. 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 B is for bat. Bat. B is for banana. 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 B is for bee. Good job! Now you know it. Let's repeat it and do it again. Get ready. B is for ball. 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 B is for butterfly. Butterfly. B is for bear. 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 B is for balloon. Balloon. B is for bird. 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 B is for bat. Bat. B is for banana. 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 B is for bee. Good job!
Then we move on to the third letter. It's C. How to pronounce C? The correct pronunciation of C is K. K. Words are cat, candle, cup, can, etc.
The letter C. C is for car. 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 C is for candle. Candle. C is for carrot. 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 C is for cat. Cat. C is for coat. 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 C is for cake. Cake. C is for candy. 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 C is for C. Good job! Now you know it. Let's repeat it and do it again. Get ready. Here we go. C is for car. 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 C is for candle. Candle. C is for carrot. 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 C is for cat. Cat. C is for coat. 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 C is for cake. Cake. C is for candy. 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 C is for C. Good job!